This is fun. Looking forward to seeing, like, you know, how they're doing. If they're doing worse, if they're doing better, if they're getting more comfortable with their stride, you know.
Yeah, he was running fucking 930 of them. I looked back on him. So what's I do? Where'd you go? For me, it's at 11. You fucking took off.
No, I kept going.
What do you got on you? Got some electrolytes in here, G1M here, all the Go Gels in here, some Smarties, pickle shots, which I'm about to break out, Dr. Pepper, Funyuns, cookies, Crustables.
That he loves.
No, I don't.
Really?
I don't need it.
It's not bad.
It's not great either.
It's warm in it.
Good job. Ready for the second loop?
I basically did run the second loop as far as I went.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go. Thank you, bro. That's crazy. Might as well. Should we? We'll do it on 4. A white Monster, Red Bulls too. I mean, that was good. A little pick me up. Sunset inspired. Yeah, that was
awesome.
majestic.
All the cotton candy.
Yeah.
That's it.
Literally the perfect night to film a run.
Yeah.
Beautiful sunset. You got some cumulus clouds. You got some nimbus clouds, some stratus. Oh,
You gotta meteorologist.
I tried, dude. I
What's your
love a
full-time
good cloud.
job?
I love a good cloud.
Some more jails, bro.
You want some?
Yeah.
Last man standing.
We're
Like-
coming in with 1 minute left.
Yeah, like that, but also like it'd be hot as shit right now. Like they started like what, 2?
So right at noon, I think.
Yeah.
They're running heathen.
Bruh.
Nasty.
That's all I could think about on the last lap. I'm just like, bro, that's a different.
You got time to go?